Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. So, by default we cannot use gesture to call voice assistant and we need to add this. So, you need to install and set up audio EARFUN audio application. If you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the app, you can check videos at this channel. Now open it. When you add them, you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and then scroll down. You need to find Customize controls. After that, decide you want to use the left or right earbud and just tap at the best one for you. I'm going with the left one. And then you need to decide you want to use single press, double press, triple press, or press and hold. I'm going with single press. You can then reset it if you don't need it to have default settings. So you just tap at the best one line. It's the same for the triple press, let's say the same for the right earbud. And you need to select voice assistant. Tap on it. Here we go. And now we need to check if it works. So let's check it. And touch areas located at the back side of the earbuds right here at the top. Let's tap one time. And we have it. I call Google Assistant because we set up Google Assistant at this phone, but you can also call Gemini if you set up Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!